Hello students, welcome to our NEET Chemistry Trick channel. So today we are going to discuss about NEET Chemistry questions. So this is actually from the lesson of ethers. Okay, so let's go to the first question here. The question is here I have given, that is, find the compound A as a main product by the nucleophilic bimolecular reaction. What does that mean? Nucleophilic bimolecular reaction means it is a SN2 reaction. Actually the reaction is involving a attack of ethyl alcohol molecule on a protonated alcohol. There is an attack of ethyl alcohol on a protonated alcohol. So the ethyl alcohol only attacking the protonated alcohol, right? So that only we got the compound A here as a main product. So we have to find the compound A as per SN2 reaction. So they have given a 4 option here, that is ethanoic acid and ethoxyethane alkene and methoxymethane. So from that we have to choose one option here, right? Let's go to the board here. So I have written here, that is in the question they have mentioned what is that the reaction is between the ethyl alcohol and protonated alcohol. There is attack of ethyl alcohol on the protonated alcohol. So that we have to find out first the protonated alcohol here. So that I have written here CH3CH2OH. The oxygen atom is having a 2 lone pair here. So I am doing the protonation of ethyl alcohol here. So what you will get? The protonated alcohol, right? So here CH3 CH2 and there is a lone pair is present in the oxygen atom, right? And H. So here there is a proton, no, it will come and attached here the oxygen atom only because it has a lone pair. There is attraction because of it is a negative group, so that only it attracted by the proton here. So that we can write, how we can write? So hydrogen will be attached here. Okay, so that here you will get the plus sign. Am I right? So this plus sign will come here. Okay, and it get attached to the oxygen atom. So this is a first compound. Okay, this is protonated alcohol. So this is first one. So second reaction is what we have mentioned in the question, that is the ethyl alcohol is attack the protonated alcohol, right? So first we have to write CH3CH2OH. So this is ethyl alcohol. Okay, so otherwise you can write like this. How we can write? So this is a way. So you can write this way, no? So this is a lone pair and these two lone pair here and hydrogen. So this way you can write plus with the protonated alcohol. How you can write? This is the protonated alcohol, no? CH3CH2 and what is that? Oxygen, right? It's having a plus sign here and it is attached with the 2 hydrogen atom. So this is what, no? Here 1 hydrogen atom, this is 1 hydrogen atom, 2 hydrogen atom is attached with the protonated alcohol. So now what happened? This negative group, no, like oxygen atom having a 2 lone pair, this will go and attack the what? Protonated alcohol of that CH2 CH3 group. So that only we got the compound. What we got? Actually CH3 CH2. Okay, so it's moved here, no, to make a bond with CH2 and CH3. So that only we got plus here. If it is move here, the negative, no, negative group, negative that lone pair is move here. So that only there is a vacant here, so that it will make a plus sign here. Am I right? So oxygen, how to write? Plus it is attached with the hydrogen here, so I have to write hydrogen here. Then it is make a bond with CH2 CH3, right? So CH2 CH3. Then remaining, what is in there? There is a cleavage is happening, so that it's got H2O. There is a H2O is eliminated. So water is eliminated. So what is the third reaction is happening? Again, so this group, no, CH3CH2OH, CH3CH3. So this group is get into the compound of A we will get through this transition state. What is that? From this CH3 CH2OH CH2 CH3, what happened actually? This bond is there, no, this bond will move here. Okay, because here there is a plus sign, so that only it will attract this bond, so that we got, so this bond will move here, so that it will leave eliminated as a proton. Okay, so that we got the compound of what? CH3 CH2. Okay, so O, that means oxygen, CH2, CH3 you will get. Again there is a elimination is there, no, with the proton H plus, right? So H plus is eliminated here. So this is the way what you got. The actual product is ethoxy, otherwise you can say ether, ethoxyethane. Okay, ethoxyethane is a main product you got. So this is the main product through this reaction. What reaction? Ethyl alcohols attack the what? Ethyl alcohols attack the that particular protonated alcohol, so that only we got CH3 CH2 oxygen, that means O, CH2 CH3. So this is the ethoxyethane is the correct option for this question. So which one is correct answer? Ethoxyethane, that is B is the correct answer for this question. Okay. Okay students, I think you have understood the question and answer, how the mechanism is happened between the ethyl alcohol and protonated alcohol. Okay, so we'll see in the next video. So before that, if you didn't subscribe our channel, like, share and subscribe our channel and click the bell icon also, so then only you will get a notification. So our video will be live or live chat you can do on every morning at 6:45 a.m. So let's see and enjoy. If you have any queries, you can comment in the comment section. Yeah, thank you.